All right, we're gonna make some chicken broth today. And you can use this recipe for beef, chicken, and pork. All right, we're gonna get our chicken, and I'm using 4 legs, and you can use whatever parts you want. Make sure it's a muscle part. And we're gonna season it well, because we're not just gonna boil the chicken, but before we boil it, we wanna get those flavors upset by roasting it or broiling it. We're gonna put it in the oven and we're gonna bake it, but make sure you season it. Sometimes it's better to over season it than under season it, because we want to be able to flavor the water. All right, set your stove at 350. Put it in the oven just like you would if you were baking it or broiling it. Doesn't that look delicious? Looks good. All right, look at that. Ooh-wee! I'm tempted to eat this. You see all that flavor in the bottom? What you want to do is, after you take the chicken out, put some water in that, and we're going to boil it in 4 cups of water. 4 cups of water. And this is just a basic chicken broth. Boiling it in 4 cups of water. And if you'd like, you could add some vegetables to it. You can add carrot, onions, garlic, parsley, basil, and actually you're making a soup if you do that, but it's still a broth. Well, this is a basic broth. I didn't include the vegetables in this, but it's still just as good. And when you finish, your broth should come out and your meat should be ready to remove your meat and use your broth for your turkey and dressing, chicken and dressing. You can use it for chicken salad. There's so many ways you can use the broth. Very simple recipe that I have shown you, but this is part of soul food. So if you haven't, subscribe.